HackingStem is a collection of STEM lessons created by Microsoft Education. Geared towards the middle school student, lessons can be hacked for younger and older students and adapted for use in remote learning. Created for teachers by teachers, projects are designed to integrate with existing curriculum and are aligned to the next generation science and ISTE standards. These fun, project-based activities help students develop engineering design and computational thinking skills. They also focus on giving learners hands-on experience collecting and analyzing data. The lesson plans are ready for teachers to use with a package of resources. Using affordable materials and real-world scenarios, HackingStem engages students in subjects they are naturally curious about. The free downloadable resources include Excel workbooks, which display the live streaming data in an approachable graphical way. Excel's Data Streamer add-in supports capturing, visualizing, and analyzing real-time sensor data in Excel spreadsheets. By connecting a microcontroller like Arduino to a computer, students can see the results of their interactive experiments in real time. Today, we have a collection of 23 amazing lessons and projects. We have had the honor of partnering with organizations like Mattel Hot Wheels, Lego Education, BBC Learning, and most recently with NASA. Our NASA collection includes a 10-part project analyzing the astronauts' photos of Earth to predict climate change, and a design challenge where students work to solve the astronauts' foot pain caused by microgravity. Some of our non-digital favorites include creating a lemon battery to power an LED light and creating a transverse wave out of ribbon, sticks, and gumdrops. Over 1 million students and teachers from more than 200 countries have used HackingStem materials. HackingStem has traveled the world hosting professional development workshops for teachers. Today, we have an active online community of teachers who share ideas, hacks, and a passion for bringing STEM to all students. So visit our extensive lesson library and start hacking your curriculum today.